of Windows K2, and honestly, this could become one of the most useful speed improvements we've seen in a while. The feature is called the Low Latency Profile, and its main goal is simple: make Windows feel much faster and more responsive. The best part is that it's already appearing in the release preview channel, which usually means it's very close to launching for everyone on the stable version. So if everything goes as expected, we could see this feature officially released within the next week or two. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to enable this hidden feature right now because Microsoft is still rolling it out gradually and many users don't have access yet. And along with this performance boost, this method can also unlock several other hidden features from the latest release preview update. So if you enjoy Windows tips, hidden features, and performance tweaks, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to Windows K2 with notifications turned on so you don't miss future uploads. Now let's get started. First, we need a small utility called ViveTool. This tool allows us to manually enable hidden Windows features that Microsoft hasn't fully released yet. You can download the latest ViveTool zip file from the link provided in the description below. Once the download is complete, open the zip file using File Explorer. Now click on Extract All. For the location, I recommend creating a dedicated folder so everything stays organized. For example, open your C drive and create a new folder called Hidden Features. Select that folder and extract the files there. Also, copy the folder path because we'll need it in a moment. After that, open the Windows search bar, type CMD, and run command prompt as administrator. When user account control appears, click Yes. Inside command prompt, type CD, followed by the folder location where you extracted ViveTool. Once you're inside the correct directory, we can finally enable the new feature. Now enter the enable command along with the feature ID that activates the low latency profile and some additional hidden features from the latest build. After running the command, you should see a message saying the feature configuration was set successfully, and don't worry. I'll place all commands and instructions in the description so you can simply copy and paste everything. Once that's done, close command prompt and restart your PC. After the reboot, the new features should become active. Now let's talk about what this low latency profile actually does. This feature temporarily boosts your CPU frequency whenever Windows needs faster response times. And just to clarify, it doesn't permanently max out CPU usage. Instead, Windows intelligently increases CPU frequency for very short moments whenever you launch apps or open important system components. That means things like the Start menu, Quick Settings, File Explorer, and even context menus can appear noticeably faster. According to Microsoft's internal testing, app launches can improve by up to 40%, while some Windows interface elements may become up to 70% faster. And after testing it myself on different systems, I can definitely say the responsiveness improvement is noticeable. Animations feel snappier, menus open quicker, and launching apps simply feels smoother overall. You can even observe this happening inside Task Manager. Whenever you open something like the Start menu or launch an application, you'll notice small spikes in CPU frequency because Windows is briefly pushing performance higher to reduce delays. Of course, there are a few trade-offs. Because the CPU boosts more aggressively, laptops may experience slightly lower battery life and power consumption can increase a bit. But for most desktop users, or anyone who values responsiveness, the improvement is probably worth it. Personally, I think this is one of the better optimization features Microsoft has added recently because it improves the overall feel of Windows without requiring new hardware. And since this feature is already in release preview, stable users likely won't have to wait much longer. So if you're already enrolled in the release preview channel, you can enable it today using the method shown in this video. Otherwise, just wait a little longer because it should arrive officially very soon. That's it for today's video. Remember, all download links, commands, and setup instructions will be available in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to Windows K2, and turn on notifications so you never miss upcoming Windows tips, hidden features, and performance updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.